Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami and I'm here with my amazing wife, Shae.
Hello.
Alright, so by the title of the video, I already know what we're going to do, what this video will be about. I did a Q&A video already. I answered a few questions. I gave you my part of the story. And as I said, I'll be doing a story time on how we met, and I will include my wife in that one. And now she is here. Yes, so guys, we're not gonna try it out too much. We just gonna go answer the question them and get it over with, as promised. Alright? So the first question is, how did we meet?
You start.
I did! I already tell them how we met. No, it's your turn.
Alright. We met in Jamaica. And we were at the dry dock restaurant. And I just asked, what's good to eat here, and she recommended a dish, and then I recognized her because she worked at my hotel that I was staying at, and that is the beginning.
That's the beginning. And we've been together for 3 years, and next month will be our 1-year marriage anniversary. All right. What was the first impression of me? Oh my.
Well, I guess you were focused at work because you did your routine, and from there, after you finished, I wanted to say something about, you were great because I'm a dancer too, I was a dancer, and you kind of like brushed me off. You were like one of those know-it-all dancers, don't have time for
No,
hello and how good you are.
No, I don't saw this people. I don't saw this story go.
I really. It is okay. So tell me what happened when we walk up to you. What happened?
But it on my phone because guys, tell me that when it on my phone, me don't know a scroll or whatever because based on my job, me only like get a few minute break. So we did on my phone, right? And then she come up to me and I tell me say, she love me dance and everything. She's a dancer herself, so she was impressed by that. And then me like in the phone like, yes, thank you. Saying it out loud, that was rude. It was rude. But to me, I was like, the few seconds I feel like just get out everything from early. That was my break. So when we go in a work mode, me like boom, focus on the guests and everything. But me like step on my break, and then she come up to me on my break, and me like, yeah, thank you.
Hold on. It's not like she was in the secluded place. She was in the same area where they did their performance. So how would I know it was a break?
True, you wouldn't know. Alright, me take the blame for that one. Me just like accept ownership. And being the type of wife I am, I accept that I was wrong.
You ignore it. You ignore it.
Baby. Alright, me done. So that was the first impression. A lot of persons have asked me this question, what is your advice for a person who is searching for love, happiness, relationship? So baby, you want to kick it off?
Yeah. Well, actually, first you shouldn't be searching for it at all.
Yeah.
Wow. Going into that. Love will find you. I know it's cliche and a lot of people are like, well, I know what I want in a person and stuff like that. You have to let go. You don't know how many opportunities for work or even passion or even love come your way because you're so focused on what you want.
Right.
And I'm straight, guys. I'm not a lesbian. I haven't had a life of loving or wanting women at all. I was pretty much
straight.
All the way straight.
I think with you saying that, let me just go into this question. My wife is straight. Her first lesbian experience, but did I get into that? But being that you jumped in it already, just go feed baby.
So yeah, and Tami is my first. Everything else was pretty much me. So I looking for that? Absolutely not. Not. If anything, you know, I get offended. I'm mad about it because, you know, people are very overspoken about what they want to do, which is straight up what's with from a woman or a man. But with you, it's just we're friends.
Of course. Yeah. We're friends.
We're friends.
First.
And then, you know, it's just set up an overdrive. Overdrive. I mean, how long did it take you before you took it?
Not long.
Not long.
Not long at all.
And then you got to think about what position I was in. Like, oh my God, it's not in that way. And you can't say, oh my God, no, she was in the closet or anything like that. No, it was none of that at all. You know?
Things like that at all.
No, not for me. You know, never curious, never anything like that. But being in a place of maturity, being in a place in a spiritual way, love is slow.
Yeah, it is.
We're so programmed to be a certain way, do a certain thing, and not allow ourselves to be ourselves. So
Right.
I think that it happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And it is definitely real. It's the strongest love I've ever felt before. And whatever happened in my life to lead me up to this point, I'm glad about it.
Me too, my baby.
Right.
Alright, first of all, with my advice to mother safety people, searching, that word alone kills. Do not search. As for me, I never did a search, I never did a look. She was like my genuine friend. You know, we talk about everything when we get break and anything. We just like put them on the phone and talk about crazy random stuff. Like, she not even didn't know say I was a lesbian. She not even know because I don't like me put that out there or anything like that. As I say, me they just look normal, neutral, and with my job, me very professional and everything like that. You know what I say? And it just grew up from conversations. And I think when people know what you are searching for, like, oh my God, let me go and do this because me I look you up. Them try to pretend and be the person who you think you would want to attract. You know what I mean? But when this was so genuine, because it was just realness, it was real friendship. You're not try pretty up nothing, you're not try impress nobody, you're not try like, oh God, let me do this because when she a go think or whatever. You're just like real and raw with everything, because just like how you're real and true with your friend and your friend know the real you, that's what happened. And we just get to fall in love with each other, knowing each other's real self, and then boom, boom, just like that, it happened. And then of course people would have be like, whoa, you know, how long you guys know each other, how long this? And first of all, me scared out of my mind, because I'm like, Jesus Christ, she's straight, you know, she know like do that, like the conversations that we have, she like we more to fight a lady or a woman if they come to be like I mean like, God see you know. No, so even if that did cross your mind, it could have never, because based on that alone, it is a big no. So I just say like, just be real, be honest, be yourself, and if the person really love you, they will love you for you. You did raise a point the other day, I think we did have this conversation, and they did say like, because you straight and me gay, what if it was a case where it was a guy, you fall in love with a guy, but no, you're a lesbian, you know what I mean? Like, how would that work? And me did I think about it, I'm like, I don't know, because first of all, how me talk to you and anything, me not go comfortable to talk to a guy or certain people like that.
But if the circumstances are the same, it was flipped and it was just a guy, and you still got that connection.
Yeah.
You have connections with guys,
of course,
as, you know, best friends and stuff like that. And it could have been a connection, and it could have fell in love. So
yeah, it could have fell in love.
To me, it's like, don't label it.
Don't label yourself. We know. Me don't know if other people can relate to it. If people you can, just comment down below. Sometimes the labeling kill people, and of course, you know where you know what you are, you know what you're attracted to, you know what your type. But as me say, like me, I'm married to a straight woman. Like to this day, people will be like, they not get it, but it is true. She like shit woman and stuff, but we just had to try. Oh baby, me love you. Alright, we're done. PG. So yeah, that's a way that I hope those questions were answered. And you know, we were supposed to do this video for a while now, and we finally had the time. If you missed my other Instagram Q&A video, I'll leave the link in the description box below on how we made my version of it and her. It's the same thing, but you know, yes, Tami say it and then she say it. Yeah, together. Yeah, want to add anything else, my baby? No?
Sorry, I'm good.
Alright, guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for the consistent support. You guys really come through for me. Me on a roll now to my subscribers now reach like 600 and maybe 30 subscribers. Like, whew, you guys really appreciate and I appreciate all the support, all the comments. Look on the comments and everything. Big up on yourself and love on the father. And yeah, that's it, my baby.
Forgot to say.
Yes, thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like this video, comment your favorite part below, and share, and also subscribe. See you next time.
Bye guys.